Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Gmail account. So actually guys, you will need to launch your Gmail app, and after that just go ahead and tap on Google. After that, everybody, you will need to wait a bit and then just go with create account. Alright, so once you tap on create account, you are between, or you will be presented with two options. Either you want that Gmail to be for your personal use or for work of your business. So actually guys, I will go with for my personal use, and then I will need to enter or to type my first name just right here. For example, I will go with Jack, and the last name I will go with Simon or Simon, and after that I will go with next. Then I will need to enter my birthday and then my gender. So actually, I will just pick a random ones, but for you, you will need to be specific on your birthday and gender. For the gender, I will go with male, and then I will just tap on next. After that, you will need to create your address or your Gmail address, and with that specific address you will be allowed to sign in to your Google account. So for example, I will go with Jack Simon, right, 12 for example, and then next. Right, so as you can see, that username is taken, so we will add another number, for example, right, that's also taken. I will go with some random numbers, right, then I will tap on next, and right here you will need to enter your password. So for example, I will go with random password, then I will go with next. Right, so actually, as you can see everybody, it's created, and now I'm allowed to use my Gmail. Okay, just scroll down and go with I agree. Right, and as you can see, the Gmail is created. So everybody, that's it. This is how to make a Gmail account. Anyways, thank you so much for watching everybody, and see you next video.